Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder, as always, we will be live, Stephen and Walter, live today, Sunday, December the, what is it? December the 12th. Ooh, only 12 more sleeps before Christmas. Anyways, I digress. We'll be on the air today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we've got various topics we're going to talk about. We went out last night. Yes, we went out amongst other people. And yeah, we're going to talk a little bit about that and how I feel about what we did last night and how the other people were reacting and all kinds of things. And yeah, so we'll talk about that and I don't know, whatever grabs our goat, we will be talking about. So I hope you'll be able to join in on the conversation. So that's today, Sunday, December the 12th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye for now.